Hello everyone, my name's Hannah and I'm from ProCandleSupply.com. Today we're going to be making an activated charcoal, tea tree, and peppermint essential oil melt and pour soap. Activated charcoal has detoxifying and clarifying properties for the skin. It's especially good for oily skin as the oil in the skin naturally binds to the charcoal in the soap. It's also slightly exfoliating due to the charcoal and has a very refreshing scent due to the tea tree and peppermint essential oil. I'm going to show you step by step how to make this soap, so let's go ahead and get started. Today I'm using 2 pounds or 32 ounces of our Pure Luxe Aloe Vera Melt and Pour Soap Base. We're using activated charcoal powder and our tea tree and peppermint essential oils. You'll also need 99% isopropyl alcohol and a spritzer bottle as well, a microwave, a silicone mold, a stirring utensil, a microwave safe bowl, and a soap cutter. First, you're going to take 2 teaspoonfuls of activated charcoal, which I've already measured out, and mix it with 2 tablespoonfuls of 99% isopropyl alcohol. You're going to stir these together well until you get rid of all the large clumps. You don't want to add the activated charcoal directly into the melted soap base, or you're going to get large clumps of activated charcoal in your soap. Now you're going to set this off to the side. Next, take your 2 pounds of Pure Luxe Aloe Vera Melt and Pour soap, and you're going to chop it into small chunks. Place them all into a large microwave safe bowl and you're going to melt it in the microwave at 30 to 60 second intervals. So now that we've microwaved it, you can see that it took about 2 to 3 minutes and it's a nice smooth consistency with no clumps at all. So now that it's melted, you're going to take your activated charcoal and alcohol mix and you're going to pour and stir it into the melted soap and stir really well to combine. Some may want to add more activated charcoal and some may want to add less. If you're worried about it being dark enough when it's completely finished, you can tell by holding your stirring utensil about 1 inch away from the surface. And if you can't see the end of the stirring utensil, then you've added enough activated charcoal. Next, we're going to add our tea tree oil and peppermint essential oil and stir really well. Now you're going to stir really well. Now that your mixture is mixed, you're going to set it off to the side. You're going to take your silicone mold. You're going to spritz it with your isopropyl alcohol. And then you're going to pour your soap mixture right into your silicone mold. Ooh, try not to splash it. Fill it right up to the top. Okay. And now, as you can see, there's some air bubbles on it. So you're going to take your alcohol again and spritz the top, and that will get rid of all of the air bubbles just like that. And that's it. So you're going to allow the soap to fully cool and harden for a few hours to overnight. Once the soap has fully hardened, you can remove the soap from the mold and you can cut it into bars with your soap cutter. So we're going to let this soap cool. Okay, so we're back and it's been several hours and now our soap is fully hardened. Look at that, nice soap right there. So let's go ahead and remove the soap from the silicone mold. In order to do that, you really just want to pull on the silicone mold lengthwise and widthwise. That way the soap pulls away from the mold. And then once you feel like you've gotten the corners pulled away, you're just gonna flip it upside down. Tap on it, you see that right there, and it'll come out. Voila! We have a perfect, huge bar of soap. I challenge you to use this in the bathroom. Clean a little there, clean a little there. Okay, no more antics. Let's go ahead and cut this. So we're gonna put our silicone mold over to the side and pull out our soap cutter. We're gonna zoom in. So you can cut this however you want, but I'm just gonna go ahead and go with it. It doesn't have to be perfect. We're just gonna cut it right like that. Oh, that one's a little crooked. So as you can see, you have a nice, perfect black bar of soap. It smells like peppermint and tea tree, super fresh and exfoliating and rejuvenating and oil absorbing, all that good stuff. And that's it. This soap is super easy and great for your skin. You can use the soap all over your body. It has lots of beneficial properties due to the essential oils and the activated charcoal. So if you want to make this soap yourself, you can find the full recipe, details, and supplies below at procandlesupply.com. Otherwise, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel so you see more videos on how to make your own candles and soap. I'm gonna go use this extra large bar of soap myself. See you later.